Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on a new project. And after this, you can add the photo that you want to, and after this, you can add the video that you want to edit. Okay, maybe this one. And after this, you can click add at the bottom. And now if you wanna crop a video in CapCut, so you at the menu, you can click on a format, this one, click on it. And after this, you can click the format that you want to add, maybe this one. And after this, you can use both a finger to resize your video like this. And finish. So that how to crop a video in CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy YouTube content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.